Hello and welcome to another video on our channel. We are going to the beach today. We haven't had a beach video, Alberta beach video, in a long time on our channel. So today we're going to Sylvan Lake, which is, I would say, the most developed beach in Alberta. I mean, it is a nice resort town with lots of hotels, restaurants, and bars and stuff like that. There isn't a whole lot of sand on the beach there, but it is a pretty nice place. There we go. Welcome to Sylvan Lake.
The new cameraman.
Yes, I have a new cameraman.
Imported from Bulgaria.
Baba Dasha is the cameraman. The lake is there, Baba. Baba, покажи езерото е там. Езерото.
Oh, very gorgeous cameraman.
Лодките, всичко трябва да се вижда.
So yeah, this is a resort town here in Alberta, and it's one of the most developed. See all the
Здраве.
stores. Yeah, a lot of people come here.
Охо, я не можах. Снимай ги.
People going to the beach. Someone else. Sylvan Lake is also the home of the only lighthouse in Alberta. So those are people that either rented houses here or they live here. A lot of those houses are, what do you call this? Airbnb. Here's mostly the beach that everybody goes. Hopefully we can find a parking spot. I have a feeling that it might be very difficult to find a parking spot. Let's see. No parking of vehicles over 6 meters. Nightly. Okay.
Everybody's waiting.
No, I don't think there are any spots. There weren't any parking spots, but here's the beach and it is beautiful. And it is so crowded because it was on a hot Sunday in July. Just look how many people.
Ceux qui viennent en face.
sleeping yet? Yes, we are. Good. And these here are changing rooms and washrooms. There's two of those, and they're pretty decent and fairly clean, I guess. On that day, they were not that clean, but it's a lot of people. Usually they're pretty clean. And yes, if it is not a hot day on a weekend in July, this place is not that crowded and it's much more pleasant. And this here is the party street. This is the Lighthouse. I can't see it now, but
Para искам да го снимам.
Ето
Ето го, ама на мене не излиза.
Well, this is the lighthouse here. And you can see the lake over there.
Ето. Не мога да го отваря.
It's right there. Ето е там. Okay.
Wait.
There you go. This is the hotel here, one of the hotels anyways. Where all the restaurants and shops are. It's by the beach. Beach is here on the left. Still lots of people. Sunday evening, like 5:30. It was a very hot day today, so a lot of people. Там да се видят и те.
Аз морето гледах да снимам повече за това.
All the restaurants.
Го изгасили?
Да. And here's like what this place might look like when it is not so busy. There are boat rentals as well as jet ski rentals and all kinds of restaurants, little shops, and it is a very nice place to visit. I totally recommend. But this will be it for today. Thank you very much for spending the time, and I hope I'll see you in our next video. Goodbye.